Ang sublimation large format ng DT Dumaguete ay nagamit na 6 na araw. Ito po yung printer head area. Ito naman po yung capping, head clean. Nasa ng wiper pagkatapos mag-head clean. Nozzle test. Ang system tama lang. Ground wire. AVR. With tank tilinis lang po ito every Tuesday. Stock namin na SIM-YK. Ito naman yung stock namin na Sebly paper. Daily output record sa system. Consumable withdrawals. Ito naman yung physical inventory namin sa system. Ito naman yung ICC profile namin. Yan lang po.